What's your name, sir?
My name is Artist.
What is it?
Third.
Artist Griffin? Okay. All right. Case number 2305641, people of the state of Michigan versus Artist Paul Griffin. Appearances.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Steve Benson for the people.
Justice Schreiber, on behalf of Mr. Griffin, who is double reading and defense constitutional rights.
All right. Court's going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. For the people, is there anything, Esteban?
Thanks, Judge. This matter involves two counts. Dangerous weapons FA as well as weapons felony firearm. Apparently, this case, as well as the November 21 case, while the complainant in this matter, who was a traveling nurse from out of state, was driving southbound on the Live M10 near Linwood in the middle lane and passing defendant who was located in the left lane. So complainant in middle lane, defendant in left lane. The complainant was attempting to pass the defendant in the middle lane, gets in front of the defendant, and looks in both the side and rear view mirrors of his vehicle and sees the defendant allegedly pulling out, pointing a handgun at the complainant while he was driving. Sees the actions from defendant, moves back into the middle lane, slows down, immediately thereafter slows down enough in order for the defendant to pass and obtain the defendant's registration plate. So a report was made and the police did a search of the vehicle, which turned out to be allegedly defendant as the owner, and the police therein went over to the defendant's residence. They attempted to not call, text as a result of all the information they had on the defendant. Defendant didn't oblige any means, but ultimately 15 minutes later comes out of the residence that the police were waiting at. There was an interview that was held between the police and defendant. The defendant advised the police he was traveling southbound on M10 at the time of the incident, and also stated that he was driving fast at that time. However, he denied owning a firearm. The police asked if they could search his vehicle. Defendant consented. Upon search, the police ended up recovering a loaded 22-round magazine of the center console. As a result, the defendant was arrested. Subsequently, the police ended up obtaining a search warrant for the defendant's home, and upon search, the police recovered a broken down Glock 22 in a child's bedroom upstairs in defendant's residence. Your Honor, based on the facts of this case,
Allegations.
it taking place on the roadway, it taking place what appears to be for nothing more than an individual attempting to pass another individual, as well as the fact that defendants ended up telling police officers, denying the fact that he owned a firearm, police officers having to perform a subsequent search, as well as the fact that they found components of a gun in the child's bedroom. The people aren't objecting to a personal bond. We would be asking for a high personal bond, Your Honor, as well as restrictions, no driving whatsoever.
Counsel.
No objections to the personal bond. He has no prior criminal history, not on probation or parole, nothing pending. This allegedly is from November 2021, not entered until just a couple of days ago, Your Honor, for some reason, given it a year and a half old, Your Honor. No objections to the personal bond, and he is a lifelong resident.
Okay.
Quite honestly, Your Honor, I could have gone further with my requesting of a bond, but I felt it fair being high personal as well as no driving as a result of the action.
And we're okay with all of that.
Okay. All right. I think I heard you to say that the complainant was a traveling nurse. Does that mean that that person does not live here, or does that person live here?
Well, there's a possibility that the complainant lives here, Your Honor.
Okay.
I don't have the
All
specific
right.
information as to whether or not
Okay.
that traveling individual that made the complaint is still here, living here, or traveling in the sense that it's a transient job.
All right. Sir, these are very serious allegations. Assaultive allegations, sir. You're not to have any contact. I believe the complainant is Brandon. No physical or verbal contact, no contact by way of text or social media, no contact with his place of employment or residence, and no contact through third parties. You're also not to purchase or possess any firearms or any other weapons. Do you understand that?
Now with the driving thing,
Okay.
I work.
Well, first of all, I haven't addressed, wait a minute. I haven't said anything about that yet. I'm asking you if you understand the no contact and no purchase or possession of any firearms.
Yeah, how about that?
Okay, I'm gonna ask your attorney to address whatever else. I don't think she had any objection to the no driving.
Your Honor, may I ask Mr. Griffin?
Go ahead.
Mr. Griffin, do you have a valid driver's license?
I lost my driver's license. I had to go down there and pay a ticket. So I'm going to get my valid driver's license is it's not valid right now, no ma'am.
Oh, okay. All right, no driving, sir. Thank you. Court will take the recommendation of the people and set a personal bond. So your bond is going to be set in the amount of $30,000 personal. You have a probable cause date of May 1st, preliminary exam date of May 8th, 2023, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court in front of Judge Sabri. All right, you may step away from the
I'm
camera.
sorry,
Yes.
you said May 1st?
May 1st and May 8th. May 1 and May 8th, and May 8th.
I need the dates. You gonna give me those? Oh, okay.